Hey, stat students. This guy says some people dream of success while others wake up and work hard at it. Grid view and our game plans for week number 16, November 30th to December 4th, 2020. How fast the school year is closing. We are already in December. Our chapter 2, section 8, fitting models to curved models. So before we were using linear regression, and what happens if it's not linear? We can use, let me read the learning goal. Students will be able to use technology to calculate quadratic and exponential models for curved relationships, then calculate and interpret the residuals using the model on their lessons and homeworks. As a side note, this is our last one before your test. Our agenda, we have our game plan, Room 902 news, and week number 16 at a glance. Grades. Over the break, I updated the new grade cutoffs. Stats quiz number 7. This is a great study guide, so if you made some mistakes there, go watch the quiz corrections. And I updated November participation points. Things I still need to do for your grades is the sub work you had on 11.6 and also week number 11 through 14 work. So if you have not turned that in, you can still turn it in full credit. Late work. Just as a note, just because you turn it in after the due date doesn't mean I grade it. So for example, you did your motivational quote back in August and you did it maybe in October or November. I don't know you did it until you actually submit a late work assignment. And remember, the late work special is due this Friday by 9 p.m. If you need more details, go to Schoology math page on the welcome and click on late work. You can also look back to week at a glance number 15, the video on my YouTube channel, and it should give you some details in there. Today I need to do a Khan Academy check, so I need to print in PDF. And your last Khan Academy check is on December 17th, Thursday at 8 a.m. You need a total of 5 hours or 300 learning minutes. So make sure you get that done because you cannot go, you don't get extra credit for going over, and you certainly just want to have a course 100% for that. That is worth 10% of your grade. Remember what we talked about again in week number 15. So go to week number 15 at a glance, watch the video. The project, which is optional, is due December 14th, 2020, Monday at 8 a.m. Something that is new is under Schoology math page, and then there's a project folder. There's two things in there. There's the details, which is a Google Slides, and then something that's new, what I did over the break is we did it as a kind of like an exit slip, was we created a vocab list of words that you can use. So basically we're marrying vocab words with your theme and you're finding it and explain to us why is it important. Remember, every Tuesdays and Thursdays, participation, attendance, and then office hours on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Click on that Google Meets. So I already updated Aries with this new grade cutoffs. We've talked about the optional grade and then the super late work. Here is a little bit more details about your participation points. For stats, it is Aries assignment number 24, weeks 13 to 15. 14 school days because we had Veterans Day and then took 2 days off for the month, and you have a total of 12. And then next month, you'll have a total of 13 more participation points. So again, I've seen students as high as 110% in the participation, which is extra credit. End of the semester, here we are, the 30th. And we're just marching on. Super late work due the 4th here. And then your projects. And last, your Khan Academy. These are finals days. I'm not sure they've given us details, but once I know, I will let you know. Check and connect every Tuesdays and Thursdays on your Schoology page. Week number 16, we're still focusing on residuals and how the residuals can tell us if we should use a linear, quadratic, or exponential. Before Thanksgiving break, I gave you guys lesson 2.7, so I'm giving you guys one more day to do that. And then homework 2.7 here. I'll release this tomorrow, lesson 2.8, which is your last one. 3 days to do it. And I wanted to show you guys the following week, homework 2.8. Then I'm giving you a work day on Tuesday, and then we're going to have a quiz on everything in chapter 2. And then a study day I'll give you guys a study guide or an old test with a video solution, and then we'll take your Chapter 2 test on the 11th, and then the following week we'll prepare for your finals. Everything in red has already been graded. Remember, I need to grade this probably tomorrow. And then the green one, these are live. And I think that's it for week number 16, guys. Work hard at it. See ya.